In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a board in Miro. This straightforward process is all about ensuring your collaborative efforts reach the right people, seamlessly and efficiently. By the end of this guide, you'll feel confident sharing your Miro boards with individuals or teams, allowing everyone to contribute and stay aligned. First things first, you'll need to go to the Miro website and log into your account. This step is foundational, since accessing your account lets you manage all your boards and settings. Having access to your account is crucial, as Miro is a powerhouse tool for collaborative projects, and staying logged in will keep your workflow uninterrupted. Once you're logged in, the next step is to open the specific board you want to share. This is where all your hard work is kept. Whether you have mind maps, designs, or strategic planning documents, you'll want to ensure the right people have access to view and edit them. So go ahead and navigate to your board within your dashboard. Now, let's move on to the sharing part. In the top right corner of the screen, you'll see the Share button. This is your gateway to sharing all the creative insights you've compiled on your board. Clicking this button will open up a menu of sharing options. From there, you have a couple of choices. You can add specific people or teams directly by entering their email addresses. This is particularly handy if you're targeting a select group of trusted colleagues who need to contribute or provide feedback. You're essentially granting direct access to individuals, ensuring they receive an invitation to join and work with you on the board. Alternatively, if you prefer a more flexible approach, you can click on the Copy Board Link option. This generates a link that you can share widely. Perhaps you're reaching out to a broader audience or inviting guest collaborators. This link will be the tool to do just that. Beneath these options, you'll find the Anyone with the Link section. Here you can set the access level for the board. This step is crucial for controlling what viewers can do with your board, whether they can just view it, comment, or edit it. Be mindful of the level of access you grant, as this defines how interactive the board becomes. Once everything is set according to your preferences, click Copy Link. Now you're ready to share this link. You can send it out via email, chat, or any other communication tool you use. It's the final step in ensuring the right people have the tools they need to collaborate effectively. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to share a board in Miro with ease and precision. Sharing your board effectively maximizes collaborative efforts and keeps everyone on the same page. Happy collaborating!